One common reason to reset your MyQ garage door opener's Wi-Fi is when you're changing Wi-Fi networks, such as moving to a new home or switching internet providers. Another reason is troubleshooting connectivity issues, where the device struggles to maintain a stable connection to your home network. You may also need to reset after a firmware update, which can sometimes disrupt the existing Wi-Fi configuration and require reconnection. Weak Wi-Fi signals can cause connectivity problems, while strong signals ensure reliable operation. Resetting helps establish a better connection. Various connectivity indicators show the importance of stable Wi-Fi for your MyQ device to function properly. Different MyQ models may have slightly different reset procedures. It's important to identify your specific model before proceeding. Some systems use a separate MyQ Smart Garage Hub for connectivity. To identify your model, look for the model number on a sticker usually located on the device. The Learn button is key for resetting your MyQ device. For integrated openers, look for it near the antenna wire on the motor unit. On the MyQ Smart Garage Hub, the button is located on the hub itself, often near the center light. Begin by locating the Learn button on your integrated MyQ garage door opener. Press and hold this button until the LED light turns off completely. Next, press and release the Learn button again. Watch for the LED light to change behavior and listen for any audible tones that confirm the reset has been successful. The Wi-Fi reset process is now complete. Your integrated MyQ opener has been reset and is ready for reconnection. To reset the MyQ Smart Garage Hub, locate the Settings button on the device. This is typically the gear-shaped button on the front panel. Press and hold the Settings button for several seconds. The device will enter reset mode. Watch for the LED indicator. The blue LED should start blinking, indicating that the hub is in setup mode. Once the LED is blinking blue, the hub is ready to reconnect to Wi-Fi through the MyQ app. Open the MyQ app on your smartphone to begin reconnecting your device to Wi-Fi. In the app, select your MyQ device to set up the connection. Enter your Wi-Fi network name and password in the provided fields. Wait for the app to establish the Wi-Fi connection with your device. If connection fails, check the error message and troubleshoot by verifying your password or moving the device closer to the router. Common Wi-Fi issues during setup often stem from signal strength problems. Factors like distance from the router, walls, and interference can weaken the connection. The range diagram shows how Wi-Fi coverage extends from the access point. Devices within this area can connect, but obstacles reduce signal quality. To solve coverage issues, consider moving the router to a central location or using a Wi-Fi extender. This expands the network reach across multiple floors. Check your internet connection speed using a speed test app. This helps identify if the issue is with your Wi-Fi or the broader internet service. If you have a dual-band router, ensure the 2.4 GHz network is enabled for best device compatibility. This frequency provides wider coverage. After reconnecting your MyQ device to Wi-Fi, test the connection by operating the garage door through the app. Tap the control in the app to close the garage door. The app will show the door is closing. Once closed, the app confirms both garage doors are securely closed, with the status showing they've been closed for 1 hour. Remember, maintaining a stable Wi-Fi connection is crucial for your MyQ garage door opener to work reliably and securely.